meghalayapost.news.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Bakmi Ikatanat Kampo Yeng Uba Prestone Tensong Ula Pentip Bahadu Menta ka Sorkar Kampadio Jingtem Ladon ni Kinong Meghalaya Kiba Shah Ktah Namar Jingshlei Hapo Kari Nepal Haba Crunch Kilat Patai Kubor Uba Prestone Loong Banadu Ka Arpunya Utarik Unaila Ka Sorkar Jala Kladep Ban Penmi Ia Ka Notification Harangkat Ki phone number Banyarap Kinong Meghalaya Ladon Kiba Shah Ktah Nepal Kumbakalong mental ngimpadio jingtep halor kibrio naga jela Meghalaya kibangat hakani jingja kumta ngaladep ban betha ayu chief secretary rawat laki don ni kum kini kinong snong kibangat hakani jingja henry kat hadu menta kasngi ngimpadio jingtep ai laong uba Prestone laong ru baka jela Meghalaya ni kiwi ki jela jongkaru India kide ban long lupa kibalapan kure lada kum kini ki jingja kiwanja nang ni syakman laban kedaung baka Jingshlei ka basyurkai Nepal kelawan ra ka jingya brio ka omduna ya kesan spangun.
If you talk about the unfortunate incident that has happened just few days back in Nepal, in fact, it is very, very unfortunate, and especially, our condolences goes with the whole nation of Nepal. And secondly, when you talk about Meghalaya, yes, we are also fully prepared in case of such incident happen, be it in Meghalaya or be it in the States or be it in India. We have to be well prepared for this. Now we are yet to get any information. I've already instructed Chief Secretary and DG to find out if there is any residents of Meghalaya who happens to be there. But till this moment, no information yet.
meghalayapost.news.